The embryo of Bluewater Pipe is a company called Adescor. It has been building machinery and technology for the corrugated drainage pipe manufacturers since 2004. Huron Park, Ontario is a great location for us because it's central in the Ontario agricultural market. 2 hours north, 2 hours south, and about an hour and a half east of here, I've got the heartland of Ontario agriculture and an intensive 4-inch drainage market. With the advent of GPS in the agribusiness, farmers started to see the yield increases and real solid concrete proof for them that drainage worked was there. It created just a huge boom in field drainage in Ontario, so that typically the market in Ontario runs between 140 and 170 million feet per year and shows no sign of slowing down. White evolved in the market as an after wheat product. Summer in Ontario is pretty hot and black gets soft, white doesn't. So this is the product that is being used in the hotter weather. My version of white, being Bluewater Pipe, is blue, and we call it cool blue, but same thing as the white. It doesn't heat up, but being this newer company in the business, we need to differentiate ourselves and be seen. And farmers, when they see blue pipe, they ask their neighbor, "Where'd you get that?" And it's the good old-fashioned word-of-mouth advertising. Manufacturing 4-inch tubing takes, there's a number of steps. That's conveyed into a big machine that heats the plastic up, use compression and friction. So there's a 400 horsepower motor that is driving what we call the extruder. After that, it goes into what we call our corrugator machine, and that is the machine that has these moving mold blocks. That's passing an extrusion point where we suck the plastic out to form into the corrugated shape through a puller device that's keeping the pipe from twisting, and into a perforator which cuts the slots. These two pipes have different slot sizes. The one on the top is our standard slots used in clay. The one on the bottom, believe it or not, does have slots in it. It's more like a razor blade that makes the cut, and it's what we call our sand slot. The drainage industry is a very interesting industry when it comes to delivery. You've got to be able to deliver an awful lot of pipe very quickly. We have 2 dedicated trucks, which we try to get 3 turns a day on. Each of those trucks can handle 28,000 feet of 4-inch. I also have a trailer that goes on a tractor trailer that we use, and then we've got a number of smaller vehicles that we can throw 16,000 feet of 4-inch on and get them into the field really quick. So we really try to focus on being effective, manage our costs, but also be able to respond to a market that is very condensed after wheat until after corn. It's a very good product. It's the type of product I'd put on my own farm. And I'm trying to make it with all the experience of a guy that's spent his career in the 4-inch drainage market, in technology and manufacturing, knowing what's going on in standards, paying attention to what all the big companies are doing to make pipe last a long time. We try to apply that to every foot that we're making in this plant.